Oh my gosh, my heart's still pounding. You will not believe what I just saw. You can probably see it in the parking lot. It's intro to my unboxing. I just got back shopping here again, the Super Krogers in Xenia. But you can see it over there. It's a Honda Civic Type R in Rally Red. My gosh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, YouTube 21 here. So today, I have yet another unboxing. Now this is unboxing number 8. So I went out to the Super Krogers again in Xenia. I went out there again today, and well, these are the cars I picked up. So, before I start listing the cars, I do want to thank you guys for 15 subscribers. Guess I'm taking off kinda, but I just wanted to get that out there, so thank you. And with that said, let's take a look at the cars I got. I got a Lamborghini Aventador, Muira homage to the Muira, one of the first Lamborghinis to come out. Tesla Model X, 217 Acura NSX, Audi R8 Le Mans, and the Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.5 16. You can't really see it because of the light. There we go. But that said, let's take a look at the first car. The Lamborghini Aventador Muira Homage. So, this is actually what you call a international card. It has a short back card, it's just not long like that, and it eliminates lots of stuff that is on, well, a larger card. But that said, let's take a look at the package. Hot Wheels. The Aventador Muira Homage, HotWheels.com. That's the code you enter in to like build your collection, online collection stuff. I don't know, 6 out of 10. HW Exotics, ages 3 and up. Case coding, warning, small parts, copyright, tell barcode. This is a really quick package just to take a look at because it's small. But with that said, let's open this beauty up. Now, as I unbox this, it appears to be at the window piece, kind of seems misaligned, so I'm actually not going to do this on camera, but I want to go ahead and see if I can try to fix this, so you're going to have to bear with me for a couple seconds here. But now, I've gotten the Aventador off the rivets, and the error is very simple. Mattel, the manufacturers, or robots, or workers, whatever, did not take time to snap the piece in, because apparently it snaps in like this. Snaps in, fits tight. And just kind of threw it in like a normal Hot Wheels windscreen. Doesn't really have a snap tight fit like this, so it's pretty interesting. What's also good is that since taking off the rivets, we can take a look at the interior in depth. So I'm gonna get this car back together, and let's start taking a look at it. So here's the Aventador Muira Homage out of the package. I did forget to say that earlier once I got the car apart. But, that said, let's take a look at it. Golden chrome PR5s. Black plastic base. Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. Hot Wheels. Made in Malaysia, probably, yeah. Don't want to tell. Gold accenting around the sides. Large intake right there. I think it says Muira 50, because this is supposed to commemorate 50 years of just the Muira, because before the Muira, Lamborghini was making tractors, so they still do make tractors, so headlights are pretty detailed. Lamborghini logo. Takes on the side. Air dam, there's a little more gold accenting. Same as the other side. Taillights are not detailed, unfortunately. Some vents. The exhaust. splitter. So, since I have the car apart, let's take a look at the interior. It's a silver chromish interior. Engine bay is not really that detailed because that's probably where most of the engine would be. It's a 6.3 liter V12. They just have a little bit for the windows, so they thought they might as well not detail that. The rest of the interior looks pretty detailed. It's probably an automatic with paddle shift. Hopefully it's a manual. Still paddle shift's not bad. It's left-hand drive, unfortunately. But that is all for the Lamborghini Aventador Muira Homage. So let's go on to the next car. The Tesla Model X. So I do have another one of these, but I wanted to get this one because this is a really cool color scheme. That's it. Let's take a look at the package. Hot Wheels. Model X itself. It actually looks a little weird because it looks extremely bubbly in this picture compared to the actual car, so that's kind of weird. Blue Drivers Collection, 5 out of 10, HW Metro, pretty sure it's a new series. Tesla Model X, ages 3 and up. Copyright Tesla, HW Metro, 247 out of 365. They actually had the collector number there, I just noticed that. Case coding, small parts, copyright, blah blah blah, barcode, Mattel, yeah. But, with that said, let's open this beauty up. So here's the Model X out of the package. So yeah, it's I think they actually fixed that window error that's on the previous casting, so that's pretty good. So let's take a look at it. Pretty sure that's a 10-spoke. Yeah, 10-spoke, and it's coated gray, coated in dark gray. Hot Wheels made in Malaysia, Tesla Model X. It's silver, it says Tesla Energy in the side. This really grinds my gears. No detailed headlights. I don't know why Hot Wheels does not do that. Which air dam vents inside. Same as the other side. Now the taillights are detailed, so that's good. No exhaust because it's an electric car. Some vents right there. Still have to have vents in an electric car because the electric motors can get hot. Taillights, as I mentioned. Tesla, Hot Wheels. Spoilers up. Interior appears to be detailed. The window appears to be kind of scratched. I don't know why that is. I have to take a look at that, but interior appears to be pretty detailed. But that's it for the Tesla Model X. But so, that said, let's go on to the next car. The 2017 Acura NSX. Now this is a first because I have never ever seen one of these in a store, because I remember on the Hot Wheels website, Hot Wheels just made a post that a new color for the Acura NSX came out, and this is about a year ago. 1 year later, I'm finally finding this in the store, because the NSX I have now, which is a blue one, I had to get that off the internet because I could not find this in the store. I've been looking for this car for a year, and finally this shows up, so it really makes me mad. So, but this is my favorite color scheme anyway, so, but that's it. Let's take a look at the package. Guaranteed for life, 127 out of 365, Hot Wheels. Car itself, 7 out of 10, factory fresh, 17 Acura NSX, ages 3 and up. 2017 Acura NSX, factory fresh, highly detailed cutting designs, getting the driver's prepared to turn heads, 7 out of 10, 17 Acura NSX, case coating, lifetime warranty, indent right there. Blue Drivers Collection, copyright, Acura, Mattel, barcode. But with that said, let's open this beauty up. Let's take a look at the NSX out of the package. It's one beautiful car. I'm finally glad to finally find one of these in yellow, because this is my favorite color for the NSX. At least Hot Wheels, that is, because I do not think yellow is an actual color for the NSX. So let's take a look at the car. That kind of weird 5-spoke design. Hot Wheels, copyright 250 Mattel, the Acura NSX, made in Malaysia. So, there's a vent inside. It's pretty detailed. Acura, some vents in the bonnet, air dam, vents on the side, headlights, some accenting. Same as the other side. Some vents right there with some indicators. License plate. Exhaust. Tail lights are kind of crooked. Acura logo. Hot Wheels. The roof is painted black, probably a carbon fiber roof. Left-hand drive, unfortunately. Can't really see inside there. Interior appears to be pretty detailed. Here's the engine, a 3.5 liter twin turbo iVTEC V6, basically a twin turbocharged version of the 3.5 liter iVTEC V6 in the Acura TLX, so it's pretty cool. But that's all for the 2017 Acura NSX. So let's go on to the next car. Now this is the special collector. This is a new series that came out. They do not really sell Forza anymore, so I'm gonna have to get my Bugatti Huayra somewhere off the internet. But I'm actually kind of mad because, well, they had this whole series at Kroger's, and if I had enough money, I would have bought the whole series. But I'm pretty mad about that. But that said, let's take a look at the package. Hot Wheels, 50 years, car culture, Euro speed, the R8 itself, project cars, for the project car series by the way, 505, real riders, Audi R8 Le Mans, metal to metal, orange accenting. That was for the year's car culture, case coating, Euro speed, collect them all. The Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA, the BMW M1 Pro car, the Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.516 that I have right there, the Porsche 993 GT2, Audi R8 Le Mans, subject to availability, made in Thailand, copyright champion project cars, Alfa Romeo, Goodyear, Urban Outlaw, for the adult collector, not for use of some Hot Wheels sets. HWcollectors.com barcode. It's all for the package of the Audi R8 Le Mans, the Euro Speed package. With that said, let's open the car up. So here's the Audi R8 Le Mans out of the package. It is one beautiful car. This is I'm pretty sure it's the newer R8, the second gen one. But, with that said, let's take a look at it. Black wheels, they're rubber, no accenting around it. The 5-spoke collector wheels. Metal base, 250 Mattel, made in Thailand. Audi R8 Le Mans. I noticed the special cars are made in Thailand. Vent is black, probably carbon fiber, I'm pretty sure. Red, gray, and black accenting going along it. The fuel filler door. Hot Wheels 10, DT Racing, I'm pretty sure. Store.projectcarsgame.com, Hot Wheels. I actually think they're kind of behind because I thought they were already on Project Cars too. But I don't really follow Project Cars like I do like Gran Turismo and Forza, but I really need to start following it because I'm pretty sure it's created by Ben Collins, the Stig. More black, gray, and red accenting. DT Racing, number 10. Hot Wheels, Project Cars. Oh, it does say Project Cars too, so. Audi Sport. Headlights are pretty detailed. This is a pretty detailed car. Fog lights, large air dam, vent in the bonnet. Something right there. I don't know what that means. Same as the other side, except without the fuel filler door. Back's pretty detailed. Taillights, Audi logo, some vents. Spoiler has a little bit of a red accent on it. The roof, the Project Cars logo, slightly matte studios. I think it's like a bull or a hornet or a bug or something, I don't know. Interior has a white roll cage. I really like that detail. Appears to be pretty detailed. I can't really see inside. Left-hand drive, unfortunately. I think all the cars are left-hand drive that I got today, that is. Engine. But that's it for the Audi R8 Le Mans. So let's go on to the next car. The Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.516. This is probably my favorite car out of all of them. Probably the whole Eurospeed series. I really like this one. So that said, let's take a look at the package. Hot Wheels, 50 years, Eurospeed, car culture, the car itself, project cars, some orange accenting, metal to metal, Mercedes-Benz 190 2.516, 3 out of 5, real riders. Hot Wheels 50 years, car culture, case coating, Eurospeed, collect them all. Cars you can get from the series, sold separately, subject to availability, copyright, Champion Project Cars, Alfa Romeo, Goodyear, Urban Outlaw, ChampionCollectors.com, for the adult collector, not for use in some Hot Wheels sets, Mattel, barcode, yeah, whatever. But, with that said, let's open this beauty up. So let's take a look at the 190 at the package. I actually really like these wheels. They're kind of the Oz Rally Racing wheels. It's rubber tires, gray, metal base. It's not painted. Mercedes-Benz 190 2.516 Gen 60 Mattel, made in Thailand. All special cars are made in Thailand, I'm pretty sure. Hot Wheels. Number 91, Project Cars. Gray accenting, more gray accenting. Bonnet, slightly matte studios, some triangle. Same thing with the Audi, except it says G. Maybe E, I don't know. Yeah, it says E again. Project Cars, Hot Wheels, Mercedes. I don't know what that means. Headlights are detailed, vent. Headlights are detailed, the grille. The cornering lamps are not detailed. Fog lights, an air dam too. Same as the other side. Tail lights, these are really detailed. Really like that. It says Project Cars. It's kind of hard to see because the boot kind of extends out over the rear and kind of makes a shadow, so you can't really see that. Mercedes logo, slightly matte studios. Dual exhaust, a big spoiler with the Project Cars logo on it. Slightly matte studios on the rear window spoiler. Project Cars logo on the roof. Interior is pretty detailed. It's actually, pretty sure it's a racing spec car, so it doesn't really have that much of an interior. It's left-hand drive, unfortunately. Appears to be pretty detailed. I can't see inside there. But that's all for the Mercedes-Benz 190 2.516. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for today's video. So, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my channel and all the other videos that I do. And well, that's all for today's video. And goodbye.